Hey guys, odd where you find a little inspiration to film a movie, isn't it? Just listening to a little DX, listening to Laura, feeling bad for Blitzy's boredom. You see, I'm sitting, God, that stomach is big, in my shorts, and I got a message for the FCC. Hang on. Check it out, man. I was gonna pause you and go get dressed, get my shoes on, get a coat on, but now I'm still sitting here with my shorts on, no shirt. Hey, let's have a little fun. Hey, Blitzy, you wanna go outside? Come on, Blitzy, let's go outside. Yeah, man, we gotta go out and make a movie. We go out and record a film. Come on, Blitzy. Come on, Blitzy. He's freaked out because I've got a phone in my hand, and and I'm gonna go bozo right now. Wow, has it been that long when I film a movie in persona? Because I changed. We talked about it. And how rude of me. I'm sorry for the furnace noise and my junk and my big stomach. Has it been that long that Blitzy's never heard Bozo? I'm gonna hang on. Yeah, it's because I was just standing there babbling like I do when I film. Right? You know what? This is shorts. The stomach's still there. Come on, Blitzy. I got a message for the FCC, Blitzy. No pausing now. Neighbors they already know I'm crazy. So what if they see me half naked out here in shorts? Now, who needs a ticket to come out here to the shack? God damn, it's cold out here. I'm sorry for the French. Sorry for that phrase, Laura. We'll check Laura out in a minute. I don't need a license to receive. If the world ever comes down to that, I want out. I want yes, Lizzie fan. Oh, Blitzy. Nah, I'm sorry, Blitzy. We'll give him his privacy. You are correct, Fred. Lizzie fan. Yeah, I want to build a loop on ground. I want to compare it to the 80-meter end fed, and I want to compare it to a vertical. I want to compare it. I do not need a ticket to do some quality comparative testing. Hang on, I show you something. Let me find some junk to draw on. This'll work. That'll work. Hey, cold out here. Can't get some comic corn. Now, what I want to do here, so, nor do I need a ticket. Am I that boring, Blitzy? Really, man? Nor do I need a ticket to take a tripod and to put a 20-meter quarter wave section of tubing on it and to attach a 20-meter hamstick on that. I want to see what length. You would think that if you used a quarter wavelength on 20 to mount that, you'd end up with a half wave radiator on 20 meters. And that's what I want, because I want to use my union at the base. Why? No radials. Why? Kick-ass low-angle radiator. Fan-freaking-tastic for DX. I want to try that, man. Don't need to transmit. Don't need a ticket. Check it out, man. I also want to try just using a 40-meter hamstick and see if I need to play with the length. I probably will, but I want to use a 40-meter hamstick as a half-wave radiator on 20, again with a multi-tap union at the base. That's what I want to do. Baby boy wants me to get dressed and take him for a walk. Hey guys, thanks for putting up with me, man. Thanks for letting me be me. Thanks for not hating on me. Man, thanks for stopping by the old landfill. I do appreciate it. I really, really do. And I mean that. My friend Laura would like to escort you off the old dump. She'd like you to come to her apartment and watch her jam. So, 73, take care. Take them out of here, Laura. They deserve better than this. 73.
My second favorite guitarist is Mark Knopfler.